watched you drift out past the rocks. Your name a small boat finally moored. Salt on my lips, heart on the dock, hands letting go of what kept them so. I'm breathing past the tide.
Hello everybody. Sunrise yoga today and very close with Alvin face, and everyone can be hear the sound, the cricket or not. Good sound at the cricket, right? In the field make all of you guys and me feeling very good with the natural sound. Sometimes frog, sometimes chicken, sometimes cricket, sometimes bird. But I don't wish I see cobra. I really don't like cobra. Just only bird and cricket and frog. Okay, okay, everyone, don't waste your time. Please enjoy the yoga with the feel today to make you relax with your lower back and stress relief. I wish all of you guys can be do it at the right feel yoga with the sun today. Up. Okay. Yoga relaxing. Relax your back. Very nice sound bird. Start đây boy. Everyone want to hear Alin explain and talk. But for me, I just want everybody to be relaxed with the sound, ASMR, with the bird, with the cricket, with the natural is better. That's why I don't try to be explained. We do look like we are get only vitamin D. Vitamin D yoga. Vitamin D yoga. Hold straight. And everybody get the vitamin from me. I am get vitamin D from the sun, and everybody get vitamin from the Alin. But I don't know, maybe vitamin out the lovely, I don't know. But 100% I get vitamin D, yeah. I said vitamin, everybody don't understand, but vitamin D, okay, vitamin, everyone get vitamin from Alain. Mong man à. Ê, đây mong trong con video nè. Mới là tu sắp mùi tiệt nó. I talked with my sister. She's in front of camera today. See the operator. Okay, see my operator today. And I'm very happy. I'm very glad that my family, yes, to be enjoy with my work that they allow me to do yoga for get healthy. She want me to get healthy and she want me to be happy for everything. So I really happy very much for this time. I enjoy with my family and I can be to do any yoga with the green view and any view in the countryside. My honestly, I want you to be happy with me too. Okay. Hold. This one is very good for hip mobility and opening hip to make your arm mobility and flexibility. Especially you can be straight on this side your glute to be get thighs also. And open straight on the right side. Open on the left side. So everybody came back. Open. Hold. Oh, where is the sun? Now sun go to sleep, not sun anymore. No sun. Inhale. Close. ASMR. ASMR at the right field. Frog jump, ដេកក្រោយអាបយសិតតែដីអឹបOpen 1 2 3 4 5 6 and kick up relax a little bit so tired yoga relaxation for everybody but still full power with Elaine. Now we can be start with the bridge pull. Up, drop down, up, drop down, up. Last one. Up, hold, 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 hold. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the same position, but we hold your both angle and we try with the powerful upside down again. One, 2, 3, 4. Last one, 5. Up, hold, hold, hold. And inhale back to the center. Everybody. Your knee close to your nose to be relax your lower back. And your both hand hold your elbow to be hold, 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 hold. Up. Relax. And open with the happy baby pose to be relax your lower back. All 1. Oh my God. I look to backward and I see the two boys look at me what I am doing. Make I am very shy very much. I just look to them and I laugh. Maybe they are don't understand everything with the other meaning. Oh. Up. Inhale. Twist. Honestly, so tired, but it's okay. Will be more energy back after I am to do the yoga. Relax. Slowly the end video. I will be better with the sound of the bird and the smell from the rice. Relax. Just listen to the bird. យកឲ្យខ្ញុំឲ្យដល់ម៉ោងផុសវីដេអូយកមកហ៊ឺដល់ម៉ោងផុសវីដេអូណាផាយផាត់មកអា អត់អ៊ីនធឺណិត everyone just be relax I premiere my video at gymnastic I hope no boy here more ơi hey boy why you always look at me boy why you look at me okay everyone bye bye so tired just only sleeping and relax always happy to see all of you guys for this video hope all of you guys have a wonderful day and have a wonderful night especially for your family and friends and hopefully my video will be bring you to be get helpful and stress release and happy together. Okay, bye bye. See all of you guys on the next video. Don't forget like, subscribe, see have my video to see the new video post from every day. Especially everybody can be help my channel to be growing very good. I wish you wish me this video will be boom 100k. Bye bye.